Hello, children. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well at home. Children, I am welcome you all to the Standard 6 Social Studies class. Today I am going to teach you chapter 2. All of you kindly open at page number 15. Early Man. In this chapter we will discuss about how did the first man appear on earth, how did the early man look like, how long did he take to evolve into the modern man, what did he wear and eat. We will come to know about all this and much more in this chapter. Okay children, so let's start the chapter. Scientific research has brought to light that life started on Earth some 3,500 million years ago, and human beings developed in stages over the centuries from a series of ancestors. This process of development is called evolution. Early humans probably evolved between 2 lakh and 1 lakh years ago. Many scientists believe that they evolved in Africa and then spread elsewhere. According to them, apes and humans developed from a common ancestor but evolved independently after they separated from the common ancestor. Different stages of human evolution from the earliest to modern humans. During the initial stage of evolution of the earliest human around 2 lakh years ago, man walked like apes. Gradually, he learned to stand erect on his feet. Now, these hands were free to hold things better. He could see things far off. He could pick up and throw things to defend himself. The body structure of the earliest human beings changed over time. Their brains became larger while their jaws and teeth became smaller. Gradually, they got to learn about adapting themselves to their surroundings. At that time, stones were easily available, so they began to use stones. They used stones to hunt their prey, for crossing nuts and so on. They realized that sharp edges of broken stones were very useful for cutting wood and chopping meat. Thus, human beings began to make tools and weapons according to their needs. This gradual human evolution show rise of the modern human, during which different intermediate forms were noticed. Next we will see Stone Age. What is Stone Age? Since stones were used on a large scale, the prehistoric age is known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age is divided into 4 periods, namely Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic, based on the degree of sophistication in the fashioning and use of tools. Children, next we will see one by one. First we will see Paleolithic age. What is Paleolithic age? Paleolithic age is also known as Old Stone Age. The Old Stone Age was approximately from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. This vast period was divided into lower, middle and upper Paleolithic ages. Children, turn the page. Throughout the Paleolithic age, man lived a nomadic life and he lived by hunting and food gathering. He ate raw meat along with wild fruits and vegetables. During the winter season, he used animal skins, bark of trees, and leaves of keep himself warm. Early humans. Fire was a major discovery of this age. While rubbing two pieces of stone or wood together, he accidentally discovered how to light a fire. Thereafter, men learned the different uses of fire. Early man kept a fire burning at the entrance of his cave to prevent wild animals from attacking him. Gradually, the practice of consuming cooked food was started. According to some theories, human civilization began during this period. The three periods of this age followed the evolution of human beings from apes, beginning with Homo erectus, then earlier Homo spanish, and finally Homo spanish, the modern man. The earliest tools were made in the Paleolithic age. In the first stage, pieces of stones were used as tools. Later, many types of different crude stone tools for different needs were made. Flint, a type of stone, was widely used to make tools and weapons as it could be easily shaped into different forms. See children, crude stone tools of ancient period. To make tools and weapons, both large and small pieces of stone were used. From larger stone pieces, axe-headed hammers and choppers were made. The axe-headed head was tied to a stick which made it convenient to us. Knives and scrapers were made from smaller pieces of stone. Some stones were given a sharp point and tied to arrows and spears. These were very useful to hunt animals from a distance. Remains of bones, horns, and tusks of animals such as the wild ox and elephant, some with weapons embedded in them, suggest that these animals were hunted. Probably large pits were dug and covered with leaves and twigs to hide them from view. So, when large animals fell into the pits and could not get out, they were killed. Many Paleolithic tools such as axes, hammers, choppers, scrapers, etc., have been found from sites at Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, Bori, Maharashtra, and Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, children, thank you.